So we'll start a new topic called IP address. So what is this IP address? Let us try to understand. So IP address is a logical address assigned to all the devices in the network. So IP address is the logical address and it is assigned to all the devices in your network. It is like the mobile number. So without mobile number, we cannot make the communication. The same way, we need to assign the IP addresses to all the devices in your network. So in this example, if you see, we have connected 4 PCs to this switch and each PC is having one IP address assigned like 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.2, 192.168.1.3, 192.168.1.4. These are the IP addresses assigned to each device. Then only they will communicate with each other. And it is saying that IP address is a logical address. Logical address means we can change the IP address. The current IP address of this PC is 192.168.1.1. We can change it to 1.100. Okay, this is the meaning of logical address and it is assigned to all the devices in your network. It is used to identify the specific device in the network. What is the use? It is used to identify the specific device in your network, or you can say it is used to make the communication between the devices in your network. Without IP addresses, devices cannot communicate. Like your mobile number, it has two versions. So IP addresses are having two versions, IP version 4 and IP version 6. Let us discuss about these two versions. So we'll see what is IP version 4 first. So IP stands for Internet Protocol. Okay, V4 means version 4. IP version 4, it is a 32-bit IP addressing. Okay, what does it mean by 32-bit IP addressing? Which means you will get 2 power 32 IP addresses with IP version 4. So 2 power 32 means you will get 4.3 billion IP addresses with IP version 4. So it was deployed in 1980s. So this IP version 4, when it was deployed, when it was launched, it was deployed in 1980s. At that time, 4.3 billion IP addresses, more than enough. But the network was growing very fast and it was realized that there will be a shortage of IP addresses. These 4.3 billion IP addresses will be exhausted. Okay. So what is the solution here? So scientists came with this solution IP version 6. So Internet Protocol version 6, it is a 128-bit IP addressing. IP version 4, it was only 32-bit IP addressing, which means with IP version 6, you will get 2 power 128 IP addresses. 2 power 128 means 340 undecillion IP addresses. These many IP addresses you will get with IP version 6. Okay, but still in 2023 we are surviving with IP version 4. What is the reason here? We have some temporary solutions like subnetting and NATing. Because of these two temporary solutions, we are still surviving with IP version 4. These two solutions, subnetting and NATing, they are used to save the IP version 4. We will see what is subnetting in great detail in our basic classes, and we'll see what is NATing in our security classes. Okay, so let us focus on IP version 4. So IP version 4 has 4 portions. If you see 192.168.1.1, let me write the IP address 192.168.1.1. So it is having 4 portions, 1, 2, 3, 4. IP version 4 is having 4 portions and each portion is separated by dot. If you see, each portion is separated by dot and it is a 32-bit IP addressing. So what does it mean by 32-bit IP addressing? Let us try to understand. When you assign any IP address to any networking device, those IP addresses are converted to binary numbers. So this is the decimal number. Okay, 0 to 9. It is a decimal number. Okay, 192.168.7.1. It is in decimal format. When we configure the IP address in decimal format, computers don't understand the decimal number. They convert these decimal numbers into binary numbers. Okay, like 192, it will be converted like this, 1160. So each portion is having 8 bits. 160 will be converted like 101 and 50. 7 will be converted like 5 zeros and 3 ones. 1 will be converted like 7 zeros and 1. So if you see, each portion is having 8 bits. And if you add all the bits here, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 8, 32. So this way you will get 32 bits here. So that is why IP version 4 is a 32-bit IP addressing.